Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover deleted channels on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the chat sections at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see your channels here. I can select this channel. After selecting the channel, you can now tap on name at the top middle of the screen, and you can now tap on edit, and you can just simply scroll down. You can now tap on delete channel. After deleting the channel, the Telegram doesn't provide any feature to recover your deleted channel on Telegram. It is only possible that have one or more admin of the Telegram channel. If you have only you admin on a Telegram channel that you deleted, you cannot be recovered deleted Telegram channel. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.